Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use device settings on dark mode settings on your account on X-Twitter, easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click here on this icon, and here we'll find use device settings. Click on it and that's it, will be turned on. And that's how to use device settings on the dark mode settings on your account on X-Twitter, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.